Hello all, welcome back to CloudML. So today in this video we are going to talk about Barplots. Okay, so as usual, what is the first step? First step is to import the necessary libraries, right? So we'll import pandas as PD, numpy as np, cbon as sns, matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and matplotlib inline, which will allow us to read our basically see our plots in Jupyter Notebook, right? So I'll execute this cell, and then here I am using tips dataset. So for that, for first what I'll be doing, I'll be reading the CSV file. So I'll be just storing the CSV file inside this variable, which is tips. Okay, and for reading, we always use pd.read underscore CSV, and inside that in the parenthesis we pass tips.csv. I'll execute this command. Then what we'll be doing, will be basically, let me just read first few observations as well. So for reading first five observation, we use the head function. So tips dot head. So see, we got our first few observation. So there are some things that there are total bill, then there is a tip, then the type of like the sex variable is there, like female, male, and all that. Then smoker, whether the person is smoker or non-smoker. Then which day it was, whether it was Sunday, Saturday, Monday, and then what was the time, like dinner time, lunch time, what was, and the size. Okay. So we'll be basically now plotting our first bar plot. Bar plot are basically we basically used to visualize our data, like in what format the data is we are having, like what, like it is useful to analyze our data set. Okay, so it is very useful for that. So I'll be just passing with the help of cbon library, we'll be plotting our bar plot. So for that we are using sns.barplot. On x-axis we are passing day, so we are basically comparing day versus tip. So on y-axis we are passing tip, and the data comes from the tip data set. That's why we write this. So here you can see on x-axis there is tip. I mean sorry, on x-axis there is day, and on y-axis there is tip. Okay, so day, that is Sunday, and from this you can clearly see that day is having Sunday, like Sunday is having the highest. Okay, it is having the highest. Okay, then next we can also see day with respect to total bill similarly. So go ahead and see again, the maximum bill was on Sunday. Okay, the total bill on Sunday was the highest according to this. Okay, this also we can compare, like we can use view and see whether, like suppose we can see whether they were maximum number was male or maximum number was female, on which day maximum was male, on which day maximum number was female. We can see that as well. Okay, so for that just we'll using u, and we'll be passing the sex variable here. Okay, so see here you can see the blue one basically denotes female, and the orange one basically denotes male. So see on Sunday the highest number, highest bill were of male. Okay, on Sunday the highest bill were of male, and see you can see that you can compare and see. Also we can change the color of this bars as well. So for that I will use palette and is equals to winter underscore r. So see the color got changed. Now the earlier the with blue female were represented, now with blue male is being represented, and with green female are being represented. Okay, also we can, like earlier what we did, we compared with the sex variable, right? Now we can also compare it with smoker variable. So we, whether the person was, highest person was smokers or non-smoker on that day. So we can see like on Sunday yes, and yes is the person was smoker, and no means the person was not a smoker. Okay, so you can see that on Sunday the highest number of smoker paid the bill. Okay, so now you can see that the lines, the bar plots are vertical here. We can also convert them into horizontal. What we can do, we can just pass here. On x axis we are having day, and on y axis we are having total bill. We can just simply replace that. On x axis we will be having total bill, on y axis we will be having our day. So I just replace the, and I use the data, and I also change the color. Palette is equal to spring. I change, and I'll just execute this cell. So here you can say that earlier it was vertical, now it became horizontal. Okay. Also, like here from here you can see that Sunday is coming first, then Saturday, then Thursday, then Friday. Like here you can see Sunday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday. We can change the order as well, like in whichever order we want. Like suppose I want Thursday first, then Saturday, then Sunday, then Friday, or first Saturday, then Sunday, then Friday, then Thursday, anything else. So all you need to just do, just write sns.bar on axis is day, y axis tip. I'm comparing it with tip, that's why. And data comes from tip data set. I changing the color and passing spring. I just need to pass a list here in this order section. I'll just write order is equals to and pass the list in whichever format I want. Suppose here I wanted Saturday first, Fridays then Friday, then Sunday, then Thursday. So I'll execute this. So here you can see that Saturday comes first, then Friday, then Sunday, then Thursday. Earlier what it was, first it was Sunday, then Saturday, then Thursday. In whichever order you want. All you need to just write order is equals to and whichever format you want, just pass the list. Okay. We can see some more examples here as well. So like here x is smoker and y is equal to tip. So we can compare that as well. So yes basically denotes the smoker one, no basically denotes that the person was not a smoker. Okay, also now again we can just compare it with sex variable. See the now here the blue basically denotes the female and the orange denotes the male. Okay, and here these are the complete non-smoker, these are complete smokers. Okay, so that's pretty much all